SMK helmets. Visor Mechanism replacement. Open the visor fully first. Then pull the visor opening lever down to the full extent and gently pull the visor out of the channels. Repeat the same for the other side. To replace the visor mechanism, first remove the visor. Then use a screwdriver to open the screw. Gently tilt the visor mechanism using the thumb and use your fingertips to remove the visor mechanism from its slot. Insert the locking leg first in the slot provided and push the visor mechanism in its slot. Then screw it back in place using a screwdriver. To insert a visor, align the pivots and L-shaped legs on the channel provided on the visor mechanism in the fully open condition and push it in place. Mouth vent cover replacement. Pull out the mouth vent cover as shown. To replace the front vent, align the mushroom legs on the hole provided on the base of the mouth vent mechanism and snap it into position. Top vent cover replacement. Pull out the top vent cover as shown. To replace the top vent cover, align the two legs with the slot provided on the base of the top vent and snap it into place. Breath deflector replacement. Pull out the breath deflector as shown. Align the hole on the breath deflector on the chin bar slot and push in place. Repeat for the slot on the other side. After this, if required, just adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Cheek pads replacement. To remove the cheek pads, first unlock the chin strap. Then gently pull the cheek pad from the front, and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Then pull out the inner side of the cheek pad, such that the plastic sheets come out of the helmet. Wind protector replacement. Gently pull the wind protector, starting with one side to remove the snap of the wind protector from the chin cover. Then gently pull from the middle and the other side and the wind protector comes out. Liner replacement. First unlock the two snaps on the back of the helmet. Then unlock the three locks of the bandella in the front of the helmet one by one. Pull out the liner from the helmet. To put the liner in place, align the bandella with the pin locks provided. First, gently push the bandella and it will snap in its place. Finally, push to close the two snaps on the back of the helmet. SMK helmets.